Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of another luscious Envy hair wig. This is Taryn by Envy in the color Sparkling Champagne. These Envy hair wigs always super duper impress me because the hair always feels like satin. When you first get it out of the box, it looks great. It's not super shiny. It's just, oh, the feel of it. Feels better than some human hair. I mean, it does have human hair in it. The Envy hair is a proprietary blend that only Envy carries. It is a blended fiber, so it's about 50-50 heat-friendly synthetic as well as human hair. But it feels wonderful. Like, it feels better than some 100% human hair wigs do. And that's why I always go on and on and on about how great this Envy hair feels. It's just got a dynamite feel to it. This wig is sleek, light density, and beautiful right out of the box with a wearable bang. Check that out. I haven't trimmed that. Usually bangs drive me bonkers because I have a super short forehead, and whenever a wig has a bang cut into it already, it always goes right into my eyeballs. It's like this is covering my brows, but it's not going in my eyes. It's just really like a cute little bumper bang on this one, and it's a great length. The hair on the rest of the wig, also a great length. So let's talk some specs. The front, 3 inches, perfect length. Oh, it's beautiful. The crown down, 13 inches. The sides are 11 and the nape is 11. So let me show you what Taryn looks like on all sides. This wig supposedly weighs 6 ounces. Doesn't feel like it weighs 6 ounces. It feels considerably lighter than that on. I don't know if that's just my personal perception of the matter, but it definitely feels lighter than that to me. Let me show you the mono features on this wig, because it does have a hand-tied monofilament top. Now this Sparkling Champagne is a rooted color, and I'll show you the mono top again when I take the wig off. It's a beautiful blonde. Really gorgeous blonde, and in the Envy hair line this color is more neutral and a little less gold than what you'll get in the regular synthetic, and you can probably pick that up here in this video. So it's a very pretty color, very beautiful rooted blonde. I'm gonna go ahead and take Taryn off now so I can show you what the interior of the cap looks like. Here is what the monofilament top on Taryn looks like. Very nice, gives you the appearance of a scalp. Why? Because it's a double mono top. Oh, boom. Yeah, there's an extra layer of material. It's not silk chiffon like you get on some of the Envy hair wigs, but it is an extra layer of material, similar to what you'd find in like the John Renault double monofilament wigs. It does have a generous bump of polyurethane right at the front hairline. You heard it squeak there when I touched it. Open wefted on the sides. Open on the back. We do have a nice fuzzy extended felt nape with these Velcro adjusters, which is freaking awesome. And then we also have fuzzy felt here on the ear tabs, which we also really like. This wig has no permatease at all, which is what helps Taryn lay so sleek and so satiny and so smooth up against the side of the face. And the hair isn't remotely shiny, and it moves beautifully. Very, very natural movement on this Envy hair. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. Now, if you're afraid of getting one of these wigs because it's got that heat-friendly synthetic in it, I can tell you from personal experience, having worn some of these Envy hair wigs in real life, that they do have an advantage in having that human hair in them. The human hair really does help distribute the static that builds up in the wig, and that really keeps the tangling down. So it's not the same as having a regular, strictly heat-friendly synthetic wig. It's definitely a lot better to have a blended fiber, so it won't tangle nearly as much. And like I said, it feels really beautiful. It is heat stylable up to 350 degrees. So if you wanted to add a curl, ooh, this would be really cute with the curl actually. Or like a little wave. Very cute. Love the bang on this one. Love the density. Very natural, light density on this one. Check that out. If you're looking for a low density, sleek little wig, this one is gorgeous. And we've had some people who have come to our store who buy this wig on a whim and end up getting like 3 or 4 of them because it's such a surprise how nice this hair is. So check it out. We've got some really good customer photos on the listing on our website, which is www.cysterwigs.com. And this again is Taryn by Envy. It's an Envy hair blended fiber wig. In the color Sparkling Champagne, which is a lovely rooted blonde. I'm Heather. Thanks for watching my videos, and until next time, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.